Y'all, what's up, man? We back on some more wild store videos, and I'm gonna prank my brother with the Jason videos. No, I'm gonna prank my sister. Oh, there they go, yo, there they go, there they go. There they go. Hey, I got back. Here, I don't want this. This too fat. Huh? I got black. What you want? It don't match us because we got a lot of hair. Jason ain't got no hair. I ain't talking about, he ain't even got this. Look, he don't even got this. Look, he don't even got this. He don't even got a screen.
It said one.
I got, so y'all, man, make sure y'all like and subscribe, man. I just got that boy. I ain't get him, but I got my sister back there. Y'all see her? Right there. I got y'all. I got you, Nari. She mad. She mad, y'all. GG, man. Look, man, it's Halloween coming up, man. I'm gonna do a prank involving that right there. Man, make sure y'all like and subscribe to my channel, man. Peace.